Right guys, welcome to another video. Again, we're at Santa Pod. Yeah, just unloaded the car. Went to just pull away. Oh, anyway, from the last video, it turned out with the notice, we took it back to them and they checked over, and it turned out this wire had burnt basically. So I put a new connector on, and then it's been fine. And then literally I went to pull away, and it done exactly the same thing again. I think one of the pins had just pulled through though. So I'm just going to readjust this, and hopefully that should fix it. Interesting, that didn't really seem to do much. But then they pushed through straight quite far. But I got another crank sensor, which I rang, so hopefully I'll swap that and try that in a minute. Hopefully it's might be that, but yeah. Right, that was the first one. I came in because I noticed a smell of fuel. I had a look under there and it looked like the fuel line was a bit loose, so I tightened it up. I don't think it was that, but if you come in here, there's actually a overflow breather kind of thing for the fuel tank, because I filled it up this morning and obviously maybe it's too high. So at least hopefully the more I use it, hopefully it should go down. These tyres, back tyres, are bigger than last time, they're slightly wider. And yeah, they definitely it feels more grippy at the back, it feels more controllable. So yeah, gonna go out again and I'll see you in a bit. Well, yeah, we have plenty of fun on the little clay pens. I'm going to try this like figure of 8 thing now, just to practice my like going back, whatever you call it, and yeah, you go the other way, you know what I mean? So yeah, watch some clips and hopefully they'll be embarrassing. Yeah, it weren't as great as I hoped on that bit, but I've checked the temperatures out of the tyres and the backs are like running like 50 plus, because this only goes up to 50 and they're over that. So I've lowered them down a bit, I'm going to get a bit more grip. And yeah, I'm going to try and get the big one over there and try to practice more like bigger ones as such, and then go back on that one and then go from there really. Well, it's lunchtime, it's all going well, just really practicing trying to link up at the moment, that's the next thing. Doesn't seem much like caster on the front wheel, so it doesn't want to self-centre as much as I was hoping, but that'll be a future upgrade. But yeah, it's all going well, see you later. we are back. The in-car camera battery ran out again because it's one of these weird. It's not like a GoPro. The battery's like stupidly expensive. It's cheaper to buy an actual new camera. But yeah, so we're kind of looking into that one. Probably just going to buy a GoPro. It's easier and you know what you're getting. But anyway, yeah, we're all back. It went pretty well. At the end of it, I don't think there's any footage of it, but there's a guy that one of the people that organised it, I suppose. He basically had a go in it because he could see me struggling a little bit, and he watched me and he had a go, and he thinks that the alignment's out. It was just fighting you. He said, yeah, there's something definitely wrong with the front end. Yeah, so basically that was that. And yeah, that was the end of the day really. It was a good fun day. I think I improved quite a bit, even with the issue of it kept trying to fight me. So I need to look into maybe try and get some more caster to make it self-centered a bit better and get the alignment done. Yeah, I think that's pretty much everything. Yeah, thanks for watching if you got this far. So yeah, I will see you guys later and have a good one.